Can you treat your own back pain? Today we're going to share 7 tips on how to treat your own back pain. Hi everyone, my name is Adrien Danhauser and I'm a physiotherapist at Just Physio. Before we get started, I want you to subscribe on the YouTube channel. That way you'll get notified when we release a new video. Or if you are on Facebook, like our page, then you will also see when we release a new video. So, back pain. Back pain is a very common thing that we see at the practice. There's several causes that can cause low back pain. It can either be as a result of a sports injury, or it can occur as a result of poor posture when you sit at your workstation. Some of these steps are easy to do, while others will take a bit more of concentration. I can't guarantee that this will work for you, as I don't know anything about your history of your back pain or the onset of your back pain, but what I can tell you is over the years, these 7 tips have really proven themselves, so why don't you just give it a try. Tip 1. Wear comfortable shoes or supportive shoes. High heels, flip-flops and sandals don't support your foot and it doesn't provide any cushioning. When you walk, your low back actually absorbs the entire load and that can cause degeneration in your back. So if you have a work that requires you to stand for long hours, why don't you invest in a pair of well-supported, comfortable shoes? It can go a long way to help you with your back pain. It can reduce it up to 25%. Tip 2. Don't sit for more than 30 minutes at a time. A study done by Keith et al. Measured the effects that sitting has on our health and mortality. If we sit for excessive periods of time, it's actually a risk factor for early death. Hence the saying goes that sitting is the new smoking. If we sit for too long, we tend to slouch in our chairs. When we slouch, it has a switching off effect in our back muscles. The back muscles help to protect our spinal column, and if it's not there, it can give you muscle spasm. So try to get up every 30 minutes and walk around for 5 minutes, do some stretches, and just get moving. Tip 3. Practice better sleeping habits. Most people sleep between 8 and 10 hours at night. So if you have a poor position when you sleep, you can just imagine what effect it will have on your lower back. So when you sleep on your side, try and put a pillow in between your knees. This will help to keep your back in a neutral position. Also try and avoid sleeping on your tummy. This is the worst position to sleep in. It can get you into all sorts of twisting movements that can put a lot of strain on the lower back joints and muscles. Tip 4. Avoid carrying a heavy bag on the one side. People tend to always carry their work bag, their shopping bags, always on the one side. If we do that, we put a lot of load on the one side and that can cause degeneration, stiffness and pain. So when possible, try and distribute the load evenly. So when you have a work bag, try something that can go over both shoulders so that you distribute the weight evenly. If you need to carry your kid or your toddler, I know it's difficult, but try and alternate sides. That will also help to put less strain on your back. Tip 5. Do regular exercise. I have a lot of patients that ask me what type of exercise is the best exercise. The answer is actually really simple. The exercise you enjoy doing. Our bodies are made to move. So to sit on a couch is the worst thing that you can do. So go out, do the exercise that you enjoy doing. Pilates has helped a lot of back patients in the past, so that's a good exercise to do, as well as stretches. Stretch before you get out of bed in the morning. That will help to mobilize the fascia and reduce back pain. Tip 6. Look at your posture when you sit at your workstation. Obviously, it's not ideal to sit in front of your computer the whole day, but most of us don't really have a choice. So what you can do is make sure you have a proper chair when you sit at work. A chair that supports your back. So what I mean with that is, it needs to support the lower end of your back so that you sit up straight. Don't slouch in your chair. Don't work on the computer there. If your chair doesn't have the proper back support, you can use a lumbar roll that you can get at your physio. You can put it in the back, and that will help to get you in a better posture position. Tip 7. Go and see a physiotherapist. There's no faster way to heal your back pain than to go and see a physiotherapist. Physiotherapists are really good to loosen up the stiff joints and loosen up the stiff muscles. They can give you an individualized exercise program that will help with your back pain, as well as individualized posture advice on your workstation setup, as well as the way you sleep. So there you have it. Try to implement these 7 tips and you'll soon be able to do the things you enjoy doing. If you struggle with back pain and you need help with it, please click on the Book Now button to book a session with Just Physio today. If you like our video, like it, share it. Thank you for watching.